Let's create this using Capcut. Import your video to timeline. Take screenshot from star clip. Open Google. Search, remove object from photo. Select any website you like. Upload the screenshot you have taken. Brush the building you want to remove. Download it. Come back to Capcut. Add the photo you just downloaded. Free as the start of your video clip. Make it overlay. Reduce its duration to 1 second. Remove background. Add keyframes at start and end. Move the object upward of frame. Select animation type using graphs. Your building drop effect is now ready. Export. Here is final results.